Hello, cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Welcome to Quick Tech Pro. In this video, we are going to explore together the process of converting Bitcoin to USDT in Trust Wallet. If you've ever wondered how to perform this conversion, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open the Trust Wallet app on our device. Make sure you have the app downloaded and updated. Before performing any conversion, check if you have BNB available in your Trust Wallet. This step is essential as some BNB is used to perform conversions of any currency. At the bottom of the application, you will find the Swap option. Click on this option to access the conversion function. Within the conversion function, select the currency you wish to convert, in this case, Bitcoin. Indicate the amount of Bitcoin you wish to convert. Then, select the currency you want to get, in this case, USDT. Click on Confirm to proceed with the conversion. Note that in my case, I don't have Bitcoin available, but you should follow the steps and press Continue. And that's it. You have successfully converted Bitcoin to USDT in Trust Wallet. Check your balance to confirm that the conversion has been completed successfully. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope it has been helpful for those looking to convert Bitcoin to USDT in Trust Wallet. If you have any questions or if there are any specific topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful cryptocurrency tutorials. See you next time.